Thinking about going solar? Before you go and install panels or batteries, the first thing you need to look at is your electrical panel, the breaker box on the side of your house. We look at two things, the main breaker and the bus bar rating of the panel. Your main breaker is the big switch that controls power to your whole home, usually rated at 100, 125, or 200 amps. The bus bar is the internal part of the panel that distributes power to all of your circuits. Why does this matter? When you install solar, you're sending power back into that panel. If the system produces too much, it can overload the bus bar. So we have to make sure the panel can safely handle the solar backfeed. Here's a quick example. If you have a 100 amp breaker and a 100 amp bus bar, you can only add 20 amps of solar before hitting your limit. That might only be 10 to 16 panels. If you have a 200 amp panel, you're in great shape. You can usually install up to 30 panels with no problem. Now, if your panel is older or undersized, but you still want a larger system, there are three options. 1. Upgrade the panel to 200 amps. 2. Do a line side tap connecting the solar before the main breaker. Or 3. Use a power control system. This is the newest tech. It uses smart software built into your inverter to throttle down solar output if it's too much for your panel to handle. It's a great option if you want solar plus battery system, but don't want to upgrade your whole panel. Bottom line, your panel plays a big role in how much solar you can install. At Supreme Solar and Electric, we inspect every panel and walk you through the best solution, whether that's an upgrade or using advanced inverter technology. If you're not sure if your home is ready, let us take a look. We'll make solar simple, safe, and built to last.